In this video, we're going to look at solving linear equations when you got the unknown on both sides of the equation. So let's take an example. 7p plus 2 equals 5p plus 8. So the rule here is when you got the unknown on both sides of the equation, you always get rid of the smaller letter. Now you compare 7p and 5p and you say which letter is smaller. In this case, 5p is smaller. So what you would do the opposite of positive 5p, which is minus 5p, and you would minus that on both sides of the equation. So you write minus 5p on the right hand side and you minus 5p on the left hand side. Notice how I've written it. They're directly underneath the letters to make life easier, and in terms of its legibility to read, it will be a lot easier for the examiner as well. So 5p minus 5p will cancel out, so I'm going to draw a nice line through that, and then what we end up with, 7p minus 5p will give me 2p, and I'm left with a plus 2, and I'm left with an 8. Now the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2, and then we get 2p. Don't forget the plus 2 and the minus 2 will also cancel out here. So 2p is equal to 8 take away 2, which is 6. Don't forget 2p means 2 times p, so we divide by 2 on the left hand side, divide by 2 on the right hand side, and we end up with p equal 3. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, so the question says we've got 5y plus 1 equals to 3y plus 13. So again, we compare the letters 5y and 3y. Which one is smaller? It's going to be 3y. So we minus 3y on both sides of the equation, making sure the letters are written directly underneath each letter. Now positive 3y and minus 3y will cancel out, so we can cross them out, and then we can solve this. 5y minus 3y gives me 2y, then we get a plus 1, that equals to 13. Then we minus 1 on both sides of the equation. They're going to cancel out, so 2y equals to 13 take away 1, which is 12. Don't forget 2y means 2 times y, so we divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So y equals to 6 is the answer.